Being a student in 2025 means you've got powerful tools right at your fingertips. And the best part? They're completely free. First up, Notion. Think of it as your ultimate digital notebook. You can organize lecture notes, manage your to-do lists, and even collaborate with classmates in real time. It's flexible, easy to use, and keeps your entire study life in one place. Next, Grammarly. Whether you're writing essays, assignments, or even emails to professors, Grammarly helps polish your writing, fixing grammar mistakes and improving clarity instantly. It's like having a personal writing assistant 24/7. And finally, Khan Academy. Perfect for brushing up on difficult subjects, from math and science to history and economics. With interactive lessons and practice exercises, it's like having a free tutor in your pocket. So, if you're a student looking to stay productive, write better, and learn smarter, these apps will make your 2025 academic journey so much easier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more student-friendly tech tips. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.